Humans have always had a love affair with space, which raises a lot of questions. Are there really aliens? When will we get to Mars? What is it out there in the sky? Or will a meteorite destroy our planet? So why am I talking about space in the middle of the Pilbara? I'll show you why. Our journey begins in Newman, where we will head around 80 kilometres north of the mining town along the BHP rail access road. From there, you turn off onto a single-lane track surrounded by dense spinifex and termite mounds and some very heavy corrugations. When you're travelling along this road, don't forget to let down your tyre pressures. Not only is it better for the car, it makes for a much more comfortable ride. It's also best not to tow in a caravan or camper trailer. The road's pretty corrugated, as well as some steep washouts, particularly when you're crossing the creeks. It's a slow and steady drive to our destination, which was only recently discovered with the help of some 21st century technology. This is Hickman Crater. Back in 2007, a government geologist named Arthur Hickman was searching Google Earth and came across this crater. Since then, it has been verified it is in fact a meteorite crater that occurred some 50 to 100,000 years ago. When it was first discovered, there were next to no tracks into the site, but these days it's become quite a popular travel destination. The crater itself is around 250 metres in diameter and about 30 metres deep. The views from the top are simply stunning. One thing you must do before you leave is sign the visitor book. I wonder how often the postie visits. If you are up for the hike, you can follow the track which takes you down into the crater. It's a surreal experience knowing that this spot, not all that long ago, was the site of our very own brush with space. The meteorite is thought to have been between 10 to 15 metres in diameter when it hit the Earth. There's only 185 impact craters that we know of on the planet, and 1/6 of them are here in Australia. So even though it was a bit of a rough ride in here to Hickman Crater, it is well worth the visit on your next four-wheel drive adventure.